Hey guys, back on the 55 door. Since I last the last episode, we were just getting to the inner panel there. We've got the hinge bracket in and started to go ahead and tack weld this in. I got a few more. Get up here, I got a few more to get in between there, and down around this side, and then next I'll be pounding the flange over for the door skin. Then we'll flip the door over and I'll show you what I got going on the other side. So okay, let's get to pounding this flange. Okay guys, well, start to knock this flange over here a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm going to work on that a little bit and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, so I got the skin pounded over. I have to get a different hammer to get it real tight here, and then I got a couple little plug welds to make on here, but now I'm just going to go ahead and flip the door around and show you guys the other side and what I got going here, what I had to do. Okay, there's the other door, the other side. I got this thing, I beat on this panel a little bit here. It's not as straight as it was, but I had a real low spot throughout this whole area and it dipped back up like this. So I pounded all this out. So I'm going to rough all this up and put some filler in here. And then I'll work it up into here and then put a top a contour coat on there. I'm probably going to have to build a little bit of weld on here and get this up next to that edge, both sides just a little bit there, and then work on this corner a little bit, kind of maybe tap it in and get this a little better. I might have to put it on the truck. This side actually turned out pretty good besides just this little spot right there. So well, that's where we are right now. I'll bring you guys back. Well guys, I'll throw a few more tacks on this and then bring you back on the next video when we end up finishing up. Got some little pieces to make on the other side here for the skin, and then I got to fold the flange over the rest of the way, and then I'm going to start working on the other panel, putting some filler in it. Should be all done. We'll grind this down got this stuff here ground down. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please comment.